Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this channel. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 28th July. And first of all, national news. PM Modi shared thoughts in Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani. India-Singapore joint military exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 begin in Jodhpur. Nisar satellite to launch on July 30, marking major India-US space collaboration, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Supreme Court to hear petitions challenging SIR in Bihar. Home Minister Amit Shah called for use of national databases to tackle emerging threats at 8th National Security Strategies Conference. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav reviewed key railway projects in Gujarat. PM Modi greeted CRPF personnel and families on Raising Day. Now, international news. Greece battled 5 major wildfires amid 44 degrees Celsius heat wave. Japan braced for extreme heat wave. Temperatures may hit 39 degrees Celsius. UN Chief Antonio Guterres voiced concern over Cambodia-Thailand clashes, urged dialogue and ceasefire. Passengers evacuated after American Airlines plane catch fire at Denver airport. Israel announced military pause in 3 Gaza areas to address surging hunger. Now some sports news. Indian captain Shubman Gill hit 4th century of series in 4th test against England. Hampi Divya final heads to tiebreak after second draw in FIDE Women's Chess World Cup. Athlete Seema became first Indian woman to win medal in 5000 meter event at World University Games. Now news related to business. TCS to cut workforce by 2%, affecting more than 12,000 jobs. FPIs turn net sellers in Indian equities in July pull out Rs 6,503 crore. RBI monetary panel members sees no challenges in Indian economy growing over 6.5% in financial year. And that's all in news. Thank you.